Hi, I'm Shi and Shannon, and this is the HTV Midday Report. The local bourse extended its rebound in line with other Asian markets. This follows gains on Wall Street overnight after US growth beat forecasts. The CI rose to 0.46% to 1,609 at the opening. The index stood at 1,613 at midday, up 0.7%. Overall, 1.2 billion shares changed hands. Gainers outpaced losers by a margin of 3-1. Petgas and BAT were among the top gainers, while Nestlé was one of the losers. Petgas, which distributes natural gas components and trade utilities to petrochemical plants, was up 1.8%. Tobacco company BAT was up 0.6%. And finally, food company Nestlé was down 0.8%. The ringgit is still weak. It has strengthened slightly after crude oil prices jumped 10% overnight. At the last look, the local currency was 4.21 against the US dollar. Moving on to the Asian markets, Asian stocks extended their recovery as gains in the US and Chinese markets calmed investors' nerves. Nikkei surged 2.7% while Shanghai Composite gained almost 2%. Kospi and the STI were up 1% while Hang Seng Index was up half a percentage point. FGV is selling its loss-making wholly owned Canadian unit to Viterra Inc. for 608 million ringgit. The offer price for the FGV unit, Twin Rivers Technologies Enterprises, is slightly higher than its current net book value of 549 million ringgit. And this will be used to repay borrowings and fund working capital requirements. Public Investment Bank lauds the move as it will help reduce FGV's downstream losses. Even so, it's maintaining its neutral call for FGV, but with a lower target price of 1 ringgit 16 cent from 1 ringgit 42. Asia's leading offshore support vessel provider, Bumi Armada, posted a net loss of 291 million ringgit for the second quarter, dragged down by offshore support vessels as well as transportation and installation segments. But Alliance DBS Research expects Bumi Armada's earnings to be backed by floating production storage and offloading segment, with order book of 25 billion ringgit. The research house is maintaining a whole rating for Bumi Armada with a lower target price of 90 cent from 1 ringgit 15 cent. Now, lower cafe sales have cut Old Town's first quarter earnings. Net profit fell 6.8% to 9.49 million ringgit. JF Apex Research expects lower domestic spending to continue to dent Old Town's F&B business, which includes 210 cafe outlets locally. The research house is maintaining its whole recommendation with a lower target price of 1 ringgit 30 cent against 1 ringgit 79 previously. And that brings our midday report to a close. For a more in-depth look on stocks and how the markets are faring, don't forget to catch the Market Matters segment later this evening. We'll also bring you more developments throughout the day. I'm Shi and Shannon. Thanks for watching.